Hello, Las Vegas, and welcome to the Morning Blend Extra. I'm Sean Tempesta. So are you upside down on your mortgage and worried about the debt forgiveness acts that ended this past December? Well, don't be. Real estate expert and certified distressed property expert, Lathe Lavada. He's broker and owner of First Prime Realty Group. He joins us now with more. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing very well. Let's talk about this. How many homeowners are actually still upside down and in jeopardy of losing their homes still today?
Well, Realty Track came out with a study that 241,000 Nevadans are still upside down in their mortgage. Wow. And 34% of Las Vegas is upside down. Still. So
wow.
We've got a ways to go yet. We're not out of the woods.
This can be pretty frustrating for homeowners here in the Valley.
It sure can. I mean, when you think that you're going to resurface and the values aren't coming back yet what they should be, it is very frustrating.
Is there hope on the horizon? Or?
You know, there is some hope on the horizon, but I don't think it's going to get here fast enough for some. Yeah. I mean, I meet with folks who are $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 upside down, double their mortgage. So unfortunately, you know, we've seen values go up 11% over the last year. Mm-hmm. Those are going to go down to 5.8%. 5 to 6% over the course of this
It's going to go to a
next.
healthy growth from here in.
Yeah. So, but when you compound that with the fact that investors were actually creating a lot of that increase in value, there was 60% of the deals closed in 2012 that were cash deals.
It was like a gold rush here.
Yeah. So now it's dropped to 32%. Mm-hmm. So when we see those numbers go down like that, we know that the investors have stopped buying. And in a few years, when those investors who are holding all that inventory that's now rentals come back on the market, we're definitely going to see the value stall out or even go back the other way.
Wow.
So unfortunately, these folks who are still upside down, they may not resurface.
So then, hearing this information now, what is available to people today to possibly save their home from foreclosure?
Well, there's still a lot of things available. If you're at market value or close and you're having a hard time making your mortgage payments, there's still the loan modifications out there that are getting done. The principal reductions are few and far between. Bank of America had a settlement recently that may pose some opportunities for some principal reductions. Wow. So a lot of things still going on out there. There's the FHA, VA, streamline refinances. If you're upside down and you want to lock in that rate and lower the rate, we've seen mortgage payments go down quite dramatically. Yeah. There's also the HARP program out there that'll do that if you're upside down. If you're late and you've got to bring it current, there's some deferred programs out there, deferment programs, forbearance programs that a lot of people don't even know about. Mm-hmm. So lots of opportunities to keep the home. There's a state mediation program that'll ward off foreclosure, and there's the hardest hit program that will help you either pay your monthly payment or bring it current.
And how about for homeowners that just kind of want to wipe their mortgage debt clean and get a fresh start and enter the market again?
You know, that's always the short sale. Yeah. The short sale is the best way to wipe it clean and get a fresh start. We're getting deficiency waivers. I can't remember the last time we didn't get a deficiency waiver on one of our short sales. So that's a beautiful thing. And the Debt Forgiveness Act, as we were just discussing, it got extended till the end of 2014.
At the end of 2014.
Right.
Yes.
So it's not extended into 2015, but we've got to remember that's not the only way for folks to get out of the tax liability. A lot of people will qualify for insolvency, and that's why I have a great team of experts. CPA will take a look at it and make sure that the tax liability won't be there for you if that's an option. And like I say, most of our people qualify for that.
Well, let's talk about the cost of your services really quick. Mm-hmm. What is the cost?
Well, you know, my services, that's the best part. They're completely free to the homeowner. So before anyone spends a penny out of their pocket for services that may cost you thousands of dollars up front, and a lot of folks do that because they're very worried about the deficiencies and the tax liabilities and those sorts of things. I have an attorney that I put on my file that the homeowner won't have to pay for, which is awesome. The lender pays my fee for service as well as theirs. Mm-hmm. So anybody wanting more information on this should give my office a call for a free consultation.
Lathe, the pleasure as always. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, again, you can get today's tips and much more. You can catch Lathe's radio show. It's available anytime on his website or on iTunes. And if you want to learn more about Lathe and his services, you can call the number or visit the website on your screen. He's also on Facebook and Twitter. Have a great day, everybody.